In my case, I am very clear. From the beginning, I know what I want and what I am supposed to do. See, we do not refute the universalism of to whom we are giving. See, we are ready to give for all beings. We want to give for all beings. But you can't deny the roots. Soon I will also come up with a cookbook. It is getting organized. It is already done in Tamil. Now we are doing it in English. And I wanted all of you to take this book and show it to your local yoga teachers and all of them and ask them, give us Shastra Pramana, give us Apta Pramana of what you are teaching. You can't just do anything chik chik chak chak and call it as yoga. We are not only giving original sutra, we are giving the chapter number, verse number. Yes. Yes. And I am also saying now, Rajivji's input, I am saying anybody, if you guys want to freely give it to any of your local yoga studios, I'll give you copies. You can take as many copies as you want. As I said, our policy, plenty to share, not a penny to waste. If you want to share with your local yoga studios, want to give them as a gift, please take as many copies as you want. And I'll also print and supply more and more. If you just send mail. I am starting a department here. It's already functioning. This kind of gifts and everything, constantly shipping. Just, we have plenty to share, not a penny to waste. And see, mainly this book does a big service of cleaning up all the unnecessary myth associated with yoga. And a lot of work has gone behind making this book. A lot of studying, collecting, translating, especially to maintain the integrity. See, usually people feel tempted, if something is orphan, let's own it. So I want to break that and say that yoga is not orphan, owner is back. He is not interested in owning it or copywriting it, but he is interested in keeping it pure. He is not interested in making money out of it, he is interested in keeping it pure. You can't play around and... See, I think this book will make it very clear. Hindu Dharma is owner. Hinduism is owner, Agamas are owners. This Shastra Pramana about all the processes, mandalas and everything, this is also ready. This is uploaded in the in your app. Please download. And also there is one more volume ready in Manifesting Powers. Means more and more of Shastra Pramanas. Like you are going to get a unique mandala, Guru Mandala, with the 9 body fluid metal of Sadashiva. See, all the 9 body fluids of Sadashiva become one metal. So his whole DNA will be installed in one mandala and you will be receiving it. Maybe within next 2 months, we will come up with a book. See, this is the mandala you are all sitting now. This is actually from Agama, with its original verse and the translation. The grand finale, the ultimate gift enlightenment pill is also ready. I'll give it to you guys on Jayanti day because a little more time of energizing is required. That's going on. And I also have a little larger work in the same template. How many of you understood this template which I showed, like a Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana, practical tips and the photo explaining. In the same way, on cooking, on dancing, and even the archery, because Agama has a chapter on archery. Whatever Agama is explaining, like Sadashiva also describes, please understand, morning when you wake up, how to wake up and how to brush your teeth, he gives detailed instruction. How to brush your teeth, the neem stick size and the number of strokes up and down. Even washing, he gives instruction. Taking bath. So I'm trying to make everything other than 2 chapters. There are 2 chapters which will be controversial if I publish. I've already spoken to some friend NGOs. They will publish the whole Agama. He speaks 1600 verses. This is the template with which the whole thing will be organized. Cooking, construction, gemology, the lessons on astrology, everything. You guys can expect us releasing books, at least 3-4 books every month. In that speed it is coming out. And just the translation is happening in a larger scale. And also, few Sthapadis are sitting. Sthapadi means the traditional painters and sculptors sitting and making around 10,000 paintings based on Agama's instructions. Like whether it is the cooking vessel or cooking method or the deity form, everything described in Agama, we are making it as a painting. That one big team is sitting and doing. It's like a huge revival. In large scale. In large scale. We are going to release my autobiography, first volume by next Guru Purnima. It's a 5-volume book. Each volume 1000 pages. 5-volume book. The first volume will be released on coming Guru Purnima. The glimpses of that first volume, 100-page book is ready to be gifted to all of you. It is a glimpse how the book is going to come out with pictures and context, and I am sitting and personally dictating, and some of the things which I am not remembering, we are using Akashic records to support and get the date, time, details, and it is really getting well organized, coming out very well. Now I will present that also to you all of you. The PDF will be uploaded now. You can download from app, and the hard copy will be given to you. Actually, I got a traditional Mangu vessels for all of you, for your eating and all that. Unfortunately, the whole, totally we need 18,000 vessels, pieces. Only around 7,000 has arrived, that also arrived only 2-3 days before. It's actually not done newly. It is collected from the shops where they sell these old vessels. It is actually done from the Kerala rubber milk. The mud is mixed and it is made like a paste. There's a traditional mortar grinder in wood where the bull will be tied and it will pull. In that, the rubber milk and the Kaveri sand, when Kaveri merges with the ocean, that area sand, both will be mixed and it will be pasted on copper plate and baked. That is the mangu vessel which you see in our kitchen. I brought actually, at least you guys will be able to use it for the whole Sadashivoham. Yes, this is the way that it is processed. Like this they will grind. Actually this is the check of the oil. This oil check, enna check. Ana idhe madiri dhaan irukum. Konjam agalama irukum avladhaan. It will be little bigger than that, where they grind the mangu things needed, but it is not it. Today you are all going to have the tour to the Sacred Arts University campus. All of you may not be aware, 400 temple building work I am doing in this campus. The deities are getting produced, sculpted, carved for 400 temples all over the world. So it is happening inside our campus. They will take you to that campus. It's a 10-acre compounded area where procuring, final finishing or producing, everything is happening. Every week we melt 1 ton, means 1000 kg Panchaloga metal. Every week, making all these deities, and every week we melt more than another 1 ton copper for making all the jewels. Most of the jewels are copper made and gold plated. Some of them are silver made and gold plated. Some of them are completely gold. So all this jewelry making, cloth stitching, everything is happening here. See, these umbrellas and all we procured, but we do have a unit here for all our regular supply, like a temple deities and all we make here. You can have the glimpse of that unit here. And whenever we collect the old palm leaves, we actually scan and make a duplicate palm leaf and give the old one back to the original owner. So that machines we have here, you can see how we scan and just reproduce the same thing in another one palm leaf. New palm leaf, all that you can see. So you can see today all those departments happening. And also I wanted to announce the first 100 Adinams who are going to start will receive all the spiritual products like a deity, temple deity, these decorative items, everything free as a gift from me. First 100 Adinams. So now it is up to you guys. You are going to be part of the first 100 Adinam. First 100 Adinams will receive everything. We are producing. Today you guys can go around and see what all we are producing here, what all we are procuring. Actually in the modern day, we are the largest unit reviving the ancient traditions, lifestyle products in this large scale. In this large scale, and every day trucks and trucks of loads of these stone pillars, this wooden, this kind of doors, all these products are procured, refurbished, repaired and put to use. This way we are also reviving this industry, and the people who have lost livelihood due to the collapse of Hinduism. I should say that modernization of the, not modernization, westernization of the Hinduism. We are trying to revive everything. The deities you are seeing, everything is done inside the campus. Oh, in the book, yes, the details of the Sundaravadam is given. So, the Sadashiva explains the ears which are initiated need to be decorated. He gives 5 contexts beautifully. This also holds high energy and constantly vibrates in your third eye. So he gives all the context. It is the 6th Rudraksha, 5 faces of Sadashiva, and Avyakta, unmanifest of Sadashiva. So all the 6 put together are 6 Rudrakshas. Constantly the Sadashiva. See, Om is considered to be the Avyakta Sadashiva. Namah Shivaya is the 5 faces of Sadashiva. So the Avyakta, unmanifest part of Sadashiva is denoted, referred by Om sound. So Om Namah Shivaya, the 5 letters represent these 5 faces of Sadashiva, manifest Sadashiva.